Hello, this is my project OM Incident Bot. It is an AI powered incident response system built on top of open metadata. It helps teams quickly understand and act on data quality issues. In open metadata, we can detect data quality failures. But a failed test alone is not enough. Teams still need to check who owns the table, what is affected downstream, and what to fix first. This takes time and slows down response. My solution solves this problem. Whenever a data quality incident occurs, the system finds the table owner, fetches lineage, creates a short AI summary, and sends a Slack alert. It also shows everything in a simple dashboard. This is the incident dashboard. At the top, we can see total results, failed incidents, and alerts sent. Below, we have the incident feed. Now I will simulate an incident from open metadata by clicking this Simulate Failed Incident button. After a few seconds, a new incident appears in the dashboard, and at the same time, a Slack alert is sent. Each incident shows the test name, table name, failure reason, owner, and status. For example, this test failed because the row count is not in the expected range. This explanation is generated using AI powered by Google Gemini. This helps teams quickly understand the issue. Now I will show the Slack integration. The bot sends incident alerts to a dedicated Slack channel. We can also use commands. /om status shows test details. /om owner shows owner information. /om lineage shows upstream and downstream tables. So teams can debug issues directly in Slack without opening multiple tools. This project is built using React and TypeScript for the front end and Node.js with Express for the backend. The backend is deployed on Railway, and here you can see the logs running. The front end is deployed on Vercel, and this is the live application. It integrates with Open Metadata APIs, Slack API, and Google Gemini for AI summaries. On the dashboard, there are also lineage and owner pages. These are very useful. They show which tables are connected. So if one table fails, we can see all affected downstream tables. This helps understand the impact quickly. Users can also navigate to the Open Metadata Sandbox for more details. Now I will click on the Fetch Past button to simulate a past data result and show the overall system behavior after multiple events. After 2 to 3 simulations, we can clearly see both failed and past results in the dashboard. This gives a complete view of data quality status. For this demo, I use the Open Metadata Sandbox. It does not provide APIs to create real incidents, so I use Test Result APIs to simulate incidents. But the system is designed to support real-time events. In short, this project reduces the time from detection to action. It makes data quality issues easier to understand and fix. Thank you.